起加入客家风情，大家來講客家吧。
Hello there and welcome back for another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This month, the term we're teaching you is temperature, 溫度。溫度。Alice， 我相信你很會煮飯啦，對不對？
還可以啦。
有些東西要怎麼煮，一定要幾度啊，要抓好啊，那個火候不一樣，煮出來就不太。沒關係啊，
現在機器都可以設定啊。
也是啦，哈。所以我們今天來教大家跟溫度有關，就是在煮飯的時候用的溫度，好了，
Okay.
好不好？我們來聽這樣的對話。Let's hear a conversation about cooking and how temperature is important.
油嘅溫度也下幾度
170度，會太高嗎？
度好哦，做得了雞肉biong一批咧。
聽起來他們要吃炸雞。Fried chicken, I can smell it already. I feel so hungry. 好，我們來 break down，我們聽聽每一句話到底在聊什麼呢
OK，
第一句，油的溫度現在幾度 ？What's the temperature of the oil right now？
油嘅溫度也下幾度
也下幾度？就是現在的溫度，油的溫度是多少，對不對 ？OK， 油就是油嘛，那油嘅溫度就是油的溫度。然後幾度 That means what's the temperature? Okay, 170度會太高嗎 ？170 degrees, is that too high?
170度會太高嗎？
Okay, 會太高嗎？對不對？
太高嗎
Is it too high? 170度 sounds like it's just right. So let's hear the answer. 剛剛好哦，可以把雞肉放進去了。
度好哦，做得了雞肉。biong一批咧
Okay, biong咧 that means to put it
放
in.
進去了
And what we're putting is chicken, 雞肉。
雞肉
That's right. So again, this whole line is saying 170 degrees is just right. 剛剛好哦。
度好哦
And it's time to put the chicken in and fry it. Okay, let's review some of these phrases, such as, what exactly is the temperature? 就是幾度嘛？
幾度
And then 剛剛好哦 just right.
度好哦
And then we're cooking some chicken, 雞肉。
雞肉
That's going to come out delicious, I'm sure. Let's hear the conversation again.
油嘅溫度也下幾度
170度，會太高嗎？
度好哦，做得了雞肉biong一批咧
And the term we're teaching you is 溫度。
溫度
There you go. Another addition that is delicious for Practical Hakka.
是冇大家
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.